Good morning. I'm going to try to see if I can do some of these recordings to help you understand what the heart is going to be doing for us. We're going to start with this first one and talk about the fact that our heart pushes blood through two circuits in the body. So if you look at the image, you can see the heart at the center, at the top are the lungs, and at the bottom is the rest of the body. So each time we take a breath in, we breathe in a lot of oxygen. And in a diagram like this, oxygenated blood shows up as red. So we breathe all this oxygen in, the oxygen moves into our blood, and it immediately flows from the lungs back to the heart, to a part of the heart called the left atrium. The left atrium, of course, is on the left side of the heart, but it's also at the superior part of the heart. The left atrium is one of four chambers that are in the heart. From the left atrium, blood flows into the left ventricle, and the left ventricle is very muscular and it pumps that blood out to the rest of the body. Now, as it flows through the body cells, through the brain, through your muscles, through your intestines, through all of your organs, they're going to be using that oxygen. They use that oxygen up to make ATP or to make energy, and the byproduct of that is carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide flows then from the cells into the blood, and in a diagram like this, it shows up as blue. I do want to make this point now. Blood is never blue. It's maybe darker red, but in the body it's never blue. That's kind of a little wives' tale or some kind of urban myth that flows around that blood is really blue inside of our bodies until it comes out. In reality, the blood that has a lot of oxygen is bright red, and the blood that doesn't have that much oxygen is kind of a darker red or maroon color. But anyway, this blood that doesn't have very much oxygen flows back and it comes into the right atrium. And from the right atrium, it flows into the right ventricle, which is very powerful, and that will pump the blood back out to the lungs. And in the lungs, the lungs can get rid of the carbon dioxide and get the oxygen back in.